This is the DJI Mavic 3 Classic RC drone with folding design body and 5.1K video resolution recording quality. Mavic 3 Classic is fully latest version of the DJI. Using its 5K camera, you can record beauties of the nature like beauties of the deserts, beauties of natural water falling, beauties of icebergs, a man climbing on mountain. By using its cruise control, you can adjust the speed, height, RTH and much more very smoothly. You can fly this drone up to 46 minutes. Mavic 3 Classic is also powered by obstacles avoidance sensor system. Fly it as you want. During flight, it will automatically sense obstacles like trees and all other. Mavic 3 Classic avoid these all obstacles automatically which comes on its way. Flight range of Mavic 3 Classic is up to 12 km. Thanks for watching this video. See you in next video.